and seeing how it impacts others in such a dramatic and life-changing way, there is no better life for me, or for anyone else who will live their life for Jesus Christ. Yes, verb is the right word. It is most descriptive and verbally animated. God's life in me and through me. So wonderful to be here tonight.
Još jedno veliki pljesak za našeg Nika Vujčića.
Hvala Bogu. Hvala. Thank you. Maybe see you. Can you do me a favor? Move my microphone a little bit to the left. Just a bit. Yeah, it's good. Wait, too much? Oh, it's good. Good, good, good. Rijeko, it is beautiful here.
Ovdje je doista prekrasno.
This afternoon,
danas popodne
I was looking at just the sea down there.
Promatrao sam more.
It was very relaxing.
I doista me opuštalo.
And I just want to thank you all for your love.
Želim vam svima zahvaliti na vašoj ljubavi.
And you're welcome.
Na vašoj dobrodošlici.
I want to first of all thank all the choir and everyone who is up here on stage so far.
Želim se prvo zahvaliti zboru i svima onima koji su bili ovdje na bini do sada.
Did you enjoy it?
Jeste li uživali?
Let's thank them again.
Zahvalimo im još jedanput.
Well, Croatia is my 44th country.
Hrvatska je 44. država.
And wherever I go,
koju sam posjetio i kamo god sam išao,
people come up and give me a hug.
Ljudi dolaze, grle me.
I wish I could hug you all.
Ja bih vas najradije sve zagrlio.
But if I did that,
ali ako bi to učinio,
my arms would fall off.
Ruke bi mi otpale.
And now you know what?
Znate što?
I love hugs.
Volim se grliti.
We were at the medical school today.
Danas smo bili u medicinskoj školi.
And did you enjoy it?
Jeste uživali?
You know, I've spoken at 400 schools.
Govorio sam u 400-tinjak škola.
And there are many schools that I can't hug all the students.
I u mnogim školama nisam mogao sve studente zagrliti.
But the presence of God was there.
Ali je Božja prisutnost bila prisutna.
And people's hearts were touched.
I srca ljudi su bila dotaknuta.
And I was touched.
I mene je to sve ganulo.
And so I delayed my lunch.
Tako da sam odgodio svoj ručak.
To hug all 600 students.
Da bih sve njih zagrlio, njih 600-tinjak.
I love you.
Volim vas.
I actually, I'm a hugging machine.
Ja sam stroj za grljenje.
According to the Guinness Book of World Records,
prema Guinnessovoj knjigi rekorda,
I'm the biggest hugger in the world.
Ja sam najveći čovjek koji grli.
I actually hugged 1,749 people in 1 hour.
1749 ljudi sam zagrlio u sat vremena.
And it was pretty crazy.
Doista bilo ludo.
It was a little scary.
Malo zastrašujuće.
Because I knew that anyone could just pick me up and take me home.
Jer me bilo tko mogao podignuti i odnijeti doma sa sobom.
I onda šta ću da radim? Šta? Šta? Ovako, šta? Ja ne govorim jako dobro, ja razumem malo, ali kad ja sam imao 6 godine, ja sam naučio malo od babi i dedi. Ali ja sam zaboravio puno, so molim te, ali volim vas. Well, I was welcomed with a letter from your president here in Croatia.
Pozdravljen sam sa pismom od vašega predsjednika u Hrvatskoj.
I met the mayor of the city of Zagreb.
Upoznao sam gradonačelnika Zagreba.
And I'm so thankful for all the media here in Croatia.
Zahvalan sam medijima u Hrvatskoj.
who's enabled me to share my story to your nation.
Koji su omogućili da podijelim svoju priču sa vašim narodom.
I have two announcements.
Imam dvije obavijesti.
The first one you know.
Prvu već znate.
I'm married.
Oženjen sam.
From February.
I to ove godine u veljači.
To the lights people.
Rasvjeta, molim.
Can you, just down a little lower.
Malo stišajte još ovo.
Down a little lower.
Još malo.
Down a little lower.
Još malo.
And just up a little bit.
Malo jače.
Malo jače. Dobro je. Leave it there.
Neka ovako bude cijelo vrijeme.
And please don't touch it.
I nemojte ništa dirati.
I don't want to just see a dark room. I want to see the beautiful faces.
Ne želim vidjeti taman prostor, nego ova predivna lica.
Hvala. Well, me and my wife are expecting a boy.
Moja žena i ja očekujemo sina.
We're very excited.
Jako je uzbuđujuće to.
And he's coming in February next year.
Iduće godine u veljači dolazi.
We weren't planning on having kids for a while.
Nismo planirali imati i djecu neko vrijeme.
But God had something different.
Ali Bog je imao drugačije planove.
Actually, he's due on our 1-year anniversary of being married.
Treba se roditi na našu prvu godišnjicu braka.
The second announcement I want to say.
Druga obavijest koju želim reći.
Is we are honored to have my parents, Boris and Duška Vujčić, up here today.
Čast mi imati moje roditelje ovdje večeras sa mnom.
I was born without arms and legs.
Rođen sam bez ruku i bez nogu.
My mom and dad have also a son and daughter, my brother and my sister, born after me.
Moji roditelji imaju još jednog sina i kćer, oni su rođeni nakon mene.
And they have arms and legs.
Oni imaju ruke i noge.
And I knew that I had no limbs, but I didn't think it was such a big deal.
Ja sam znao da nemam udove, ali nisam smatrao da je to neka velika stvar.
Before I could walk,
prije nego što sam prohodao,
I could roll around,
mogao sam se kotrljati,
play with my toys, with my foot.
Igrati se s mojim igračkama, sa mojim stopalom.
I love this foot.
Volim ovo stopalo.
It is so cool.
Jako je cool.
Imam dve prst.
Ima dva nožna prsta.
Dva nožna prsta. I I can do the peace sign. Peace.
I mogu pokazati mir znak.
I know that you want to take a lot of photos.
Znam da želite jako mnogo slikati.
But if you can just duck a little bit because.
Ali malo se samo prignite.
Yeah, just find a good spot.
Nađite si dobro mjesto negdje.
I really want everybody to be able to see me.
Želim da me svi jasno vide.
Oh, you can see me on the screen.
Pa i gore me vidite.
That's pretty cool.
Doista.
I want to tell you.
Želim vam reći.
Tonight.
Večeras.
My story.
Moju priču.
And not to say that, oh, look at Nik Vujčić, he's a superhero.
Ne želim da svi kažu, gledaj Nika Vujčića, superheroja.
I'm not.
Nisam to.
I still have ups and downs.
Još uvijek ima svoje uspone i svoje padove.
Ups.
Uspone.
And downs.
Padove.
Uspone.
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 Oh, sorry. Uspone. I.
Odlično.
Odlično. Very good. I'm learning.
Učim.
I still cry.
Još uvijek plaćem.
There are still times in life where things happen and it doesn't make sense.
Ima trenutaka u životu koje nemaju smisla.
There are a billion people going hungry today in the world.
Milijuni ljudi danas u svijetu su gladni.
There are many people who are enslaved.
Mnogi koji su u ropstvu.
Bought for slave labor.
Koji su prodani u roblje.
Slaves that were forced into prostitution.
Robovi koji su prisiljeni na prostituciju.
And I've met them.
Njih sam upoznao.
And I've met orphans.
Upoznao sam siročad.
And I've seen pain.
I vidio sam bol.
I've seen little kids days from death.
Vidio sam malu djecu koji su bila tik do smrti.
Because of AIDS.
Zbog side.
I've met 7 presidents.
Upoznao sam 7 predsjednika.
I've spoken to 5 congresses.
Govorio sam u 5 parlamenta.
I've met billionaires.
Upoznao sam milijardere.
And you know what I found out?
I znate što sam saznao?
We're all looking for something.
Svi mi nešto tražimo.
Hope.
Nadu.
Hope.
Nadu.
My grandma's name was Nada.
Moja baka se zvala Nada.
And I love that.
Volim to.
I wish my grandparents were still alive.
Da su barem moji djed i baka živi.
I wish they were still here.
Da su ovdje.
On earth.
Na zemlji.
To see their grandchild.
Da vide svoje unuče.
To see who he has become today.
Što sam danas postao?
They gave me a lot of love.
Oni su meni pružili mnogo ljubavi.
My parents gave me a lot of love.
Moji roditelji su mi pružili mnogo ljubavi.
My doctors actually never thought I'd be able to walk.
Moji liječnici nisu znali da li ću moći hodati.
They don't know why I was born this way.
Ne znaju zašto sam rođen ovako.
And kids will come up to me.
Djeca su mi prilazila.
Say, what happened?
Pa što se dogodilo?
What happened?
Pa što se dogodilo?
And some days,
I nekada
I just say, cigareta.
sam rekao, cigarete.
Nemoj da pušajaš, okay?